In a quiet corner of the bustling city, a stray cat named Whiskers navigates the complexities of life, searching for food and shelter amidst the chaos. Each day brings new challenges as Whiskers encounters other street animals, some friendly and others territorial, making every alley a test of survival. As the sun sets, casting long shadows across the pavement, Whiskers must find a safe place to rest, acutely aware of the dangers lurking in the night. With each new dawn, Whiskers discovers the kindness of strangers who occasionally offer scraps of food, illuminating the small moments of hope in his daily struggle. However, the ever-present threat of harsh weather and busy streets looms large, reminding Whiskers that safety is always temporary in his unpredictable world.